Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download your file as a PNG when you're using Canva on your PC. I'm using the Canva web-based app right here, and if this video has been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. So I've got this file right here, I've been editing it, and now I want to download the file as a PNG onto my desktop. You can come up here to the share button and then go down to download. And then it actually automatically saves as PNG or sets it as PNG for the download. That's the suggested file type for this document, but you can go in here and change that. But if you just want PNG, select that and then come down here to this button, download, and then give it a little second to actually start the download process. And then we can see there, it will show up in our downloads section, and you can go over to the show in Finder button. That's going to open up your downloads folder, and then you can see the downloaded file as a PNG right there. Anyway guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. Again, if it has been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks guys.